Hey Adam, do you know what my new vlogging setup is?
What?
It's the Sony CyberShot. You know how they say they don't make them like they used to? It's because they don't. And that's why I went with this. It's a vintage camera, 3.2 megapixel stills, and it has motion JPEGs with audio.
That's exciting.
Is that crack cocaine?
Only little.
You have a lot of cars in there.
Sadie, what is that? What is this? What is this? What, no, seriously, what is this? Do you know? So here's the DJI Ronin MX and the Sony CyberShot from 2003. I got the MX because it has a higher capacity than the regular M, and I have the option of fitting this to a drone if I want to. Mirrorless and rangefinder technology, and it has a flash. Sam, what do you think of my new vlogging setup? Right here. You're gonna be operating it. How's it look?
It's a little tilted, but you can fix that in post if you...
Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. All right. So now that we got the new vlogging set up, we're gonna turn on some lights in here, and we're gonna do an unboxing video for you guys. Oh, scissors.
In my dad's toolbox.
All right. I know it's pretty dark down here, but that's okay.
You can't see anything.
Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stop.
Okay, maybe we should switch to a different camera.
Let's do it.
All right. Okay, now we have our official vlogging setup back. It's probably gonna be a lot better, but I'm still gonna hand it over to my lady Sam here. She's gonna film me unboxing this Unitronic unit. Since Sam lost the scissors, we have to go to alternate measures here.
Do you want the scissors? I can go get them.
You lost them. Wow, that's actually really easy. Okay. So for those of you who are just watching my channel now, I have Unitronic downplate, some nice Michelin Pilot Sports, and I plan on going stage 2 Unitronic tune. Submit a customer photo.
Wow!
Can I do a customer video?
How fun!
I got this package here from Modded Euros. It's a really cool site, and you can enter in your car info and the... Whoa!
What?
Oh my god, is that Germany? Is that...
You can put in your car!
Das Auto! What does it smell like? Does it smell like German? Does it smell like Wiener Schnitzel?
It's a Christmas present!
What if it smells like beer steins?
Wow.
What is a beer stein?
I don't know. You better not get pulled over. Can I smell?
I smell like modded Euro.
That smells like a mixture of boy, good smelling boy,
Good boy.
lemons, and cleaner.
Lemon Pledge and Good Boys.
That's not necessarily a bad thing.
Alright, customer invoice. So, it was a Cyber Monday sale, and it was $297.49 for the Unitronic cold air intake, and for some reason Unitronic was charging like $20 for the secondary breather filter, so I just got one of the CTS secondary breather filters for $10. I saved another $10.
Hey.
Smart shopper right there. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Alright, so here is the $10 secondary air filter. I love the red. GTI red. And that we have the one and only UH001-IN3. Very solid. You know, one thing I love about Unitronic is the quality of their welds. I noticed it on my downpipe first, but very, very nice clean welds all around this thing. This is what my turbo is going to sound like. Alright. A little separate box here. My guess is that it's the filter. Ah!
A pool filter.
Hey, I don't want any sand from people's feet in the pool getting in my... Alright, never mind. Got the nice Unitronic logo on the front there.
Whoa.
Yeah. Hey, it's our old tacky box. The CTS turbo red matches the Unitronic red, in case any of you were wondering.
Hey.
Oh, you son of a gun! I got a license plate
What
cover.
the heck? Was this a Cyber Monday thing, or was it just like they're nice people?
Wow! Oh my god! I got 5 air fresheners.
I can have one too. Just kidding.
Listen, do you really want to smell like Lemon Pledge and Good Boy? But you guys do know I live in Massachusetts where front and rear license plate is required. So if you want to send me a second one for, you know, front and back, that'd be great. But I really appreciate this. Oh my god, Monadera sticker? I have a lanyard!
This is Christmas. That's adorable.
This is adorable. I wasn't expecting this. And you get a freshener, you get a freshener, you get a freshener. It's just a spyglass. I can't recommend Unitronic enough. All their stuff is just built fantastically. It's a pretty dense sort of rubber piping here. Got the nice logo on there. When Pee Wee Herman gets a Unitronic tune, it dies at night! I'm doing it right! The downsizer, is that what they call them? Goes from big to small. Oh, this is nice. So this is the same kind of matte material that
How fitting.
the actual heat shield is made of. Let's give it the Pee Wee Herman test though. I'm making my own DSG farts.
It works so well.
So the last goodie we have here, a package of intake hardware.
Baby.
William, you're the man. On that note, let's get it installed, huh?
Right now?
I mean, maybe after dinner we can try.
Yeah?
Because I want to go drive to work with it on.
Yes.
I'll do a little sound test and...
Safely.
Yes, of course.
Okay.